Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add icons in Figma quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open your project in Figma. Next, go to the resources icon at the top of the screen or press the Shift plus I on your keyboard. Next, in the resource panel, search for the icon libraries or plugins like icon packs. And after that, select the icon that you want and drag it into your canvas. You can also import icons by downloading SVG or PNG icon files and dragging them directly into your Figma workspace. Once added, you can resize, change the color, adjust the position of the icon using the tools right on the panel. And that's it. That's how you add icons in Figma. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.